It's snowing again.
You're gonna love this.
This is just a random stop. So my question is, what happened to geese migrating? I don't know if you can see this behind me, but it's 20 degrees and there are a flock of geese, not seagulls, but a flock of geese behind me in the snow. They're pissed off at me now. A little bit of nostalgia. That building back there, that building right there is my high school. That's where it all started. Well, kind of where it all started. Okay, it's obvious they're telling everybody it's time to go. My fingers are getting cold. On to the shoveling mission. What's going on, guys? Alright, shovel duties are done for the day. I'm done. It's still snowing as you see, but that's it for me today on the snow. Another meeting today. Got a 3 o'clock meeting. So let's get it done. What's going on, guys? Today was yet another snow day. I'm tired of it, but it is what it is in Chicago. But what I wanted to do was take time out and let everyone know how much we here at Off the Dome Media Group appreciate you. We hit a major milestone. We hit 100 subscribers, which is outstanding. We're still growing. We have a lot of good content to put out. For those that you don't know, we've been at this since 2014. Granted, haven't really been putting out the content or spending the time on the channel. I should say we weren't dedicated, as dedicated as we are now. So I want to take this time out to say thank you to all our viewers, to all our subscribers. Thank you for the support. I appreciate you. Hope you're having a good day, a good night, whatever time it is you're watching this video. Stay tuned. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, like, follow, share, all of that good stuff. And again, thank you for being there for us to hit that 100 mark. I appreciate you. Thanks a lot. Peace.